Teacher, how the cancer respond and what are the causes of cancer?
There are so many causes: tobacco use, alcohol consumption, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, genetics, hormones, etc.
Teacher, what are the symptoms of cancer?
The symptoms are different for different cancers.
Oh, so the cancer are in different types. Teacher, I know some of the types.
Oh, that's good. Explain it.
Brain cancer. A brain tumor is a mass or growth of abnormal cells in our brain. People who have been exposed to a type of radiation called ionizing radiation have an increased risk of brain tumor. Next one is lung cancer. A cancer that begins in the lungs and most often occurs in people who smoke. Teacher, I know about kidney cancer.
Okay, explain it.
Kidney cancer. It starts in the kidney. People with kidney cancer may notice flank pain, high blood pressure, blood in their pee, and other symptoms.
Teacher, I know about bone cancer.
Okay, explain it.
Bone cancer is when unusual cells go out of control in our bone. It destroys normal bone tissue. It may start in our bone or spread there from other parts of our body. Teacher, I know about breast cancer. It starts in one or both breasts. No lump in the breast, thickening or swelling of part of the breast, dimpling of breast skin are some of the symptoms of breast cancer.
Okay, very good children. So many of you are aware about the type of cancer, right?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, may I go to washroom?
Not now. Sit down there.
But teacher, how to treat cancer?
There are many types of cancer treatment. It depends on the type of cancer. Most of the people have a combination of treatment such as surgery with chemotherapy and radiation therapy.
Teacher, what is chemotherapy and radiation therapy?
It's a type of cancer treatment that use drugs to kill cancer cells. Radiation therapy use high dose of radiation to kill cancer cells and shrunk tumors. Other than chemo and radiation, we use stem cell transplant, which is a procedure that restores stem cells that grow in the blood cells the people had destroyed by high dose of chemotherapy or radiation therapy.
Teacher, can cancer spread to other people?
Cancer is not contagious. You cannot catch cancer from someone else. Touching, sharing meals, kissing, or breathing the same air cannot spread cancer. But many of them are not aware about it, so they are purposefully ignoring them. Evelyn, what happened? Why are you crying?
My mother has cancer and many of them are avoiding her.
Children, when talking with someone who has cancer, the most important thing is to listen. Try to hear and understand how they feel. Don't make a light of judge or try to change the person feels or acts. Let them know that you're open to talk even if they feel like it. Understood, Makale?